Okay, so this is proof number 1. And the first thing I'm going to write is the things that I'm given. And I'm going to go ahead and after I've written that angle N and angle Q are right angles, I'm going to pull out and conclude that because they're right angles, that they are also congruent. So angle N is congruent to angle Q, and that's because all right angles are congruent. All right, then I'm going to mark it on my picture. So angle N, maybe, hold on. Okay, so I've marked that those angles are congruent. I'm not sure if I'm going to need them congruent or if I'm going to just need them to be right angles because I might be using HL. All right, so number 3 is going to be the next given. NO is congruent to PQ. That's given, and then I'm going to mark it on my picture. So NO is congruent to PQ. Then I see that I have a reflexive property there in the middle, so PO is congruent to PO, and that's reflexive. Mark that on my picture, and then I'm trying to prove ONP, so ONP, so the two triangles that I see, and I can do that now. So triangle ONP is congruent to triangle PQO, and that is HL. So my reasons are in step 1, step 3, and step 4. So I really didn't need this right here, but if you wrote it, it would be okay. It wouldn't change the proof at all. If I had used side angle side or angle side angle, I would have needed that. So this was unnecessary, but if you add it, it's okay.